Hey everyone, I am Divya and welcome to my cooking channel Taboo Foodies. I'm a big fan of Italian cuisine, and when I think of Italian food, the first thing that comes to my mind is pasta. So today's recipe is going to be pesto pasta. If you don't know about pesto, pesto is an Italian sauce which is made with fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, cheese, garlic and olive oil. I know basil leaves are not easily available everywhere in India, but that can't hold us back from having a fresh flavorful pesto. So we are gonna replace basil leaves with mint and coriander, and trust me, if you taste this pesto, you will become an instant fan. And the best thing is you can use this as a pizza sauce, you can spread it on your sandwich, you can make a pesto wrap, and of course, toss in with your pasta like we are going to do. So let's get started. So first we'll keep the pasta for cooking and meanwhile prepare the sauce. I'm using spaghetti here. You can use penne, fusilli or any pasta of your choice. I'm making the sauce in a food processor. You can also use blender or mixer grinder. I like to use cashews in pesto. You can also use almonds or walnuts. Make sure not to blend it too much because we want the sauce to be a little bit coarse. These are my favorite veggies for pasta. Feel free to add more veggies of your choice. Make sure to turn off the heat now because we are going to mix the pesto with our veggies and pasta, and it doesn't require further cooking. I love how the creaminess of this pesto pairs perfectly with this hot, crunchy, veggie-packed pasta, making it ready to be served. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So do try this pesto pasta and let me know in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon and keep watching for more amazing recipes from Taboo Foodies. Till then, take care. I'll see you next time.